Hey, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about something many people struggle with: dental care costs. While essential for maintaining overall health, dental procedures can be surprisingly expensive. This can leave individuals, especially those facing financial hardships, with limited access to proper dental care. But fear not, there are organizations dedicated to helping with dental costs, and we'll be exploring them in this video. Dental costs can vary depending on the procedure needed, location, and insurance coverage. However, even basic procedures can create a significant financial burden for many individuals and families. This is where dental assistance charities come in. These organizations offer various forms of support, including financial assistance. This can involve grants, vouchers, or discounted services to help cover the cost of dental procedures, such as cleanings, fillings, or even dentures. Free or low-cost dental clinics. Some charities operate or partner with clinics that provide free or significantly discounted dental services to those in need. Volunteer programs. These programs might connect individuals with volunteer dentists who offer their services at no or reduced cost. Dental education and awareness. Many charities also focus on educating the public about the importance of oral health and preventive care, helping individuals make informed decisions about their dental health. The article on World Wire we reviewed mentions specific charities offering dental assistance, such as the National Dental Association Foundation provides financial assistance and resources to connect individuals with dental professionals offering affordable care. Dental Lifeline offers grants and discounts on dental services to low-income adults and children. Smiles Across America operates mobile dental clinics, providing free dental care to underserved communities across the country. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the numerous dental assistance organizations out there. Taking care of your oral health is crucial for your overall well-being. If you're struggling with dental costs, don't hesitate to reach out to dental assistance charities or explore resources in your area. Remember, seeking help allows you to prioritize your health without facing financial hardship alone. Thank you for watching.